Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here, and I have a recipe of soup using bamboo shoot and black beans, and it's pretty easy and quick to make. So check out the full video to see how I made this very simple soup using bamboo shoot and black beans. Bye! So we're gonna boil the veggies until tender before we add rest of the ingredients. Then we're gonna add 1 can of bamboo shoot, one can of minced black bean, and also a bag of tofu dog or any kind of sausage of your preference, a can of coconut milk. Mine is frozen coconut milk, but you can use right away from the can, obviously. Now what I have here is 5 garlic and 1 small onion, and we gonna process it with electric food processor into a fine paste. Now into the pot we're gonna add in the paste, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of ground coriander, and also 2 cubes of vegetable cubes. Now what you want to do is just cook until the frozen coconut milk melted, or if you are using canned coconut milk that isn't frozen like mine, you just have to boil it for another 10 minutes. And that's about it.
Yeah, just originals, live action movies, animated movies, Disney Channel series.